This happened when Bill Matthews was a counselor, and I forgot what year that would have been. And they had a petition, and they did away with the resolution, or whatever that was at that time. So it's been done before here, too. I think it comes under a local law, and I think it's in there.
Well, we've had the council review, we've had the charter reviewed, and no provision that would have that effect has been identified in the charter.
Maybe because of the public support, the council did reverse themselves. But I don't know that there's anything that says that.
I'll tell you,
Having
you just give me another few days, I'll have 500 more signatures there.
Well, we've also made inquiry to the New York State Conference of Mayors Council's office, and spoke with the assistant counsel there, Katie O'Brien, to inquire, is there some provision that they are aware of there are many laws that affect how a city operates. There's the general municipal law, there's the municipal home rule law, there's the public finance law, there are city laws that apply, and an inquiry was made whether or not there's any provision in law for a resolution of the council to be overridden by a petition, or a provision that a petition could require a referendum on some issue. And according to the Conference of Mayors Council's office, they are unaware of any provision in law that allows either of those things to occur. In addition, there are opinions from the Attorney General's office that indicate that it's unlawful for a municipal entity to have a referendum on any question that is not specifically required or mandated by a specific provision. For example, our charter has a provision that requires a referendum for any borrowing that's in excess of $575,000. So we are allowed to have a referendum on that, on an issue.
Well, aren't you putting both of them together? It's really going to be more than $575,000.
Well, my recommendation to the council is that in the event we actually purchase the Philipson building, that we would pay for what was done, pay for the acquisition and pay for the renovations from the general fund balance.
You can't keep on dipping in the general fund. Look at the goddamn economy.
Well,
call Governor Patterson up and ask him if he's going to give you $1 million reimbursed to do this project. They're happy. They don't want to give anything away now. They're billions in debt. You know, not only that, I know you said you need more. I can't find that mandate either. When's the mandate? Where's the mandate for that court?
Well, if that's a different issue that we can address. Once we will vote to put these on file. I'm just giving you the courtesy of telling you we've made an effort to find out if there's a legal basis to do what you asked. We haven't found that basis. I ask you or any other person who can find out what that basis is, but a basis to do this is not...
Well, I'm still working on it. I'm not done with it.
Well, that's fine. Good. I mean, I'm happy to have you look at it. But it's not a basis. You can't do it on the basis that, well, somebody said that years ago that something was done. You've got to, is there a specific provision in law that allows the council to do either of the two things that it seems you're asking for? And I've been unable to identify such a provision. If you or Bill Matthews or Don Skinner or Marty Winchell can find it, bring it, you know how to get a hold of it. And, I've looked, and other people have looked. We haven't found it. If you can find it, I figure any day that I learn something new is a good day.